Happy December 12th. Ooh. Christmas night is the tea. What is this one? Okay, black tea, cinnamon, cocoa, clove, organic licorice, coconut flavor, natural ginger. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoa, that seems interesting. Okay, I hope it's good. Happy Vlogmas, everybody. Okay, friends, this is my dilemma for Vlogmas today. Oops. I may have shown you the other day when I bought these plants. This is my Christmas cactus. Pretty, right? I love it. I love it. When I brought it home, most of the buds were like this. And now it's been a week, maybe a week and a half that they've been here, that this plant has been here. I brought it in, I took the wrapping off of it, and I sat it here against this wall trying to figure out where to put it. But look at it. All the blooms are opening. It's like loving it here. It's against a blank wall. For all my friends with the green thumb, do I leave the Christmas cactus here? Because it seems to be happy here. I've tried a Christmas cactus several years. In fact, I have another one that's on the table. Maybe I'll show you that one. It's not doing nearly as well. So, what do we think? Just leave it where it's happy? Please, honest, leave me a comment below. Let me know. Help me save this Christmas cactus. And sitting right next to it, to the Christmas cactus, are the poinsettias that I bought. I don't know if you can see those as well. I showed you those the other day. I got them from Aldi. I got them the same day as the Christmas cactus. Again, brought them in, took the wrapping off, and sat them here against this wall. They're looking good. I want to save the poinsettias for as long as I can through the season, through the winter. Honestly, I don't know what it is about this. This is like becoming my new plant. It's not even a corner. My new plant wall. Do I leave them as well? They look pretty happy. Really, guys, help me save my Christmas plants. Okay, this is the other plant that I was talking about. As you can see, it is not doing well. I do think it had a little bit of like cold shock. I initially had it out on the porch, but then we had some, not cold, not like Northeast cold, but chilly nights, excuse me, and it dropped its flowers. So I brought it in and have had it here on the table since. I don't know. There's some well, not really. There's like another bud. I don't know if it will bloom again or if it's done. So, help. Okay, here we go. Next section of the puzzle. Well, time is flying, you guys. I'm halfway through this puzzle. Halfway through this puzzle. That means there's only these many days left till Christmas. I'm not ready. How about you? I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Hey, don't forget that the Christmas card exchange is still going on. So if you haven't already dropped off a Christmas card, if you would like to send a Christmas card, I will send you one back as long as you put your return address. And again, that is Alisa's Adventures in Cruising at P.O. Box 950199 in Lake Mary, Florida 32795. So season's greetings, everyone. Happy Vlogmas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back tomorrow.